So this now is from John from England, you know, for the blind brothers then.
Yeah.
So this is $38,000, you know, 19,000 each for the brothers then, you know. So this is from John from England, 38,000. So count it.
John from England. I received $38,000 for Patrick and Alfonso. Yeah, enough respect and thanks.
So that's 19,000 each. Well, when you say a man buy the place and then go to 1 month, somebody buy the place and go to 1 month. So that, so someone buy the place and give them 1 month, and now the month up, and then bulldoze the house and the people them own. Stay strong, yeah, Patrick. Stay strong, man. So Alan go buy the
sheet and so all time money, yeah? So Mr. Responsible forget your sheet now and such.
Yeah. My cry, man. Watching. And there's some underpants and things that I feel, yeah? Alright, wipe your eye.
Yeah. Yeah, may I help you monitor yourself a bit? Wait, just go and sit down a little. Now in time I done talk with them and such.
Me don't know what them a pre about. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Well. Blessed love, guys, blessed love. So we're here today in Spanish Town, you know, so we're here to see the blind brothers. You know, guys, remember, put the thumbs up whenever you're watching, you know. If you reach this far, you haven't put the thumbs up, please put the thumbs up. Alright, please put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. I will thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So now we're here to see the blind brothers. We got some donation to give to them. I also have a box, a package that arrived as well too from Delores. Oh, last time we don't say Gracie. Delores. Right? Long time we don't say Gracie. Oh, go on. You say hello to Gracie before go down there.
Get like Gracie.
I'm coming to say hi. Yeah. Everywhere.
No, no, really.
How you doing? Hey, how you doing? You okay?
Yeah.
How
long I don't watch your videos?
Long time.
And I grandma watch it too.
She watch it?
Yeah, when I was sleeping.
Yeah. Are you cook rice? Smell the rice, man.
Rice and butter.
Rice and butter.
When we have.
A jasmine rice. Jasmine rice. You can smell jasmine rice.
Me dey na piece where the head come like here can get worse. I miss my mind just run by and I watch you then I say, Father God, I want to beg you to wheelchair for me.
When I get it here, Orlando. Orlando. Is he there? Is that here? Alright, then in a minute. I'm saying a minute. Yeah, pass.
Me dey give thanks and me say me go yesterday me say me know me alcohol and I'm begging us some food. But you hear me now? No man, but he look so bad, he ain't give me food another day. He look so bad, me can't bother on again. And my friend give me some jasmine rice and I say no, I don't cook it with butter now. I can't give thanks. Me watch you still in a man, I pray for no.
Yeah.
Me have to pray for because I tell you do a wonderful work. You do where the head state of government now do for you.
Yeah,
That's for people.
Oh, yeah.
God put you here as an angel to go and look after people until you're ready, you know?
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. Today I'm going to give thanks to life. And
I'm going to see the brothers, them, Charles, them.
okay.
And then I go see.
Okay.
Some say I before I pass by.
Yeah, man, now when you pass back, man, when you pass, look, if I'm one bread, if I'm that, be satisfied whatsoever. I'm not forgiving.
This can buy one bread.
Alright.
Right?
Thanks.
That can buy something, right?
Thanks. Give thanks.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, see you later, yeah? Alright then guys, so I'm gonna see the Charles brothers, Patrick and Charles, you know, so we're here in Spanish Town now. What a day, you know. The struggle continues, Wow, this needs cleaning up. All this is pure mosquito. Yeah, mosquito site. It's all mosquitoes. Wow. Afternoon. Struggle is real.
As for this cherry,
Open. Orlando, the way you go is they eat the people them cherry with a mind. Come on, is that everywhere you go must eat off people tree.
hello, what's going on? Afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you doing?
Oh, go on.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Charles.
I'm gonna give thanks to all the things.
Alright.
Hello?
Oh, go on, Patrick.
One chick. Yeah,
Pay ma?
one chick.
So you use the chimney.
What I see that you have?
On tree?
Cheat.
Sheet.
Yeah. Here.
Oh, sheet, tear up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we know I know one.
Oh, new one. A new one.
Yeah.
Alright then, so I'm gonna give Alan a donation and he can buy one for you.
Give my what?
I'll give Alan a donation and he can buy a sheet for you. Okay?
1,000 I do it.
Yeah, 1,000 ad. Alright then, no problem. I'll go on. So we're going Orlando.
Oh, I'm there, you know?
All is well.
Yeah.
Hey, so the light run yet? Didn't get light yet?
No, you know, connect as it. I can't come see how far work reach now.
And 30,000
Oh, you put in this as well to the receptacle.
Yeah.
30,000. 30,000.
Connect with JPS. I forgot to JPS for finalize everything, you know.
Okay.
Because I'm for come look and get the pass.
Pass.
Yeah.
Okay, so
And
they
the next outside piece of iron out there run.
so they
Yeah.
put it in the box already.
Yeah. So when me there tell Patrick say, like how I write later on, me is zinking, then my body know. So I want to see if I can look about the zinking for him.
Oh.
Because when rain fall then leak. So like we write light in run and out, better we get the zinking proper.
Oh. We mean you want to change the zinc?
them, yeah.
Okay. Okay, the right now.
Yeah man, you can see I see through them.
So
All
Yeah.
over them.
Yeah.
Where talk, hold on.
So you link JPS, you go see
No,
JPS
me
yet?
not go to JPS as yet. So
Okay.
me I tell you, so that left me do.
And one.
Yeah, man.
30,000.
So that means that once everything run then you're good then.
Yeah, because them feel come pass. Them not come as yet, you know.
Because you have to go and see them.
Yes, and them a come pass it and such.
Okay. So when you going to see them?
Oh, me not know as yet. But soon as possible.
Oh, it's going to take money for you to
Yeah,
go and see?
money.
Okay.
Because the person we put in run the current tell me that is 35 then charge to pass it.
Okay,
So
35.
me have to go and go find out how you going.
Oh, you go, okay.
Yeah.
See, 35,000 take a charge us to pass it.
So this is a part that him fi put on the face in them part, him not put them on it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, all on the been shouting lights out, so JPS is the one now that need to come pass it. That's gonna be a cost of 35,000, for moving forward from this. So you make the step by getting the wires, the box, everything set and everything connected. So the next step is just to get JPS to come and pass it. Right, and that will be the cost of 35,000 Jamaican dollars, so with that said and done, because the donation that them always get is for helping out the brothers them buy food and buy stuff. So if anyone want to help out, can get Ireland to get the lights start out, that will cost 35,000 Jamaican dollars. So if you're here watching, you're willing to help out the brothers them so they can have some electricity, because at the moment they got no light. They've been sleeping in darkness, nothing at all. So this is what needed to make the next step to move forward for the brothers them. Right, Patrick? So we're gonna start out some light for you. Yes.
Can get for listening radio, because I love listening radio.
So you can listen to your radio, right? Patrick. So how is Charles holding up?
I'm
Charles,
not too bad still now.
so how you holding up?
What?
I move around, see me,
How you holding up? Everything is okay with you?
Why is not so strong enough? I was have to give thanks there.
And true, him always a
But we
person
can't come
choose
from
it.
God, that's how I live.
Yeah, I give him full myself now, one this in the field for this much, and I have to force him. I just, that time problem. So like all I want now, that easy and just eat as, him choose it. So that I feel
So
problem.
you do some donation to me, yeah? Now I live, I can do some donation to me.
The lady?
Now we attend to the stove, the burn and burn out.
Oh,
So if we
so
could have
them
get
say,
one
want to change that to burner because it a burn bad. Bad, so now change it, I tell you.
Yeah, it's cylinder alright now. When you burn that burn up now.
At a burnout.
Yeah man, they burn out.
Okay.
I want a cheap one, you know. I
Two
do one
burner.
them, man.
That two burner bus
They're
bus.
easy for burn out.
They're easy to burn out.
Yeah,
You can
man.
get them for a two.
Because I last year and the burn out already.
Okay. So you was a
material them thing. Yeah man, I do cooking for them.
Okay.
You know, when me the up and about and him more stronger, him usually do cooking, you know.
Okay.
Him and his brother, me like I'm gone on the road.
That's what him could have seen, right?
Yeah, but since as he use inside,
Yeah.
me mainly I feel do everything.
Yeah, yes. Alright then, so.
I know, you know what I'm saying? You never hear about Bernard Lodge.
Who?
You never hear about Bernard Lodge?
Bernard Lodge.
Bernard Lodge.
When we
Farm.
pass worker from Bernard Lodge. Maybe
Oh.
I tell you.
I don't know, me used to work in a duck on the cane farm, you know.
Okay, okay.
You know Bernard Lodge, man?
I know it.
Me
You
don't
used to
know.
work down there now. What land there down there now?
Yeah.
But
Beside
this is finally past. Most about 5 years or 4 years. We don't know what going down there.
Grace by your P-side place and stuff.
Oh,
You left house them down there.
Yeah, scheme down there now.
I don't know, me used to work, man.
okay, okay, okay. That was when? In the 90s?
90s, 80s,
Yeah, man, yeah,
early,
yeah,
I was
yeah.
70s.
Early days.
Before my band, there's a cane piece
Yeah.
long time.
Mm-hmm.
Batman, you say no. No, we are 17 now, you know.
Yeah.
So a long time, you know, to work there, you know.
Mm-hmm. Long time.
Yeah, man.
Very long time. Alright then, so Orlando,
Yeah.
our donation, we have some donation for the brothers them. We can help out some situation, right?
Yeah.
Me and Patrick say want one sheet. Say
Yeah,
sheet
fitted
tear up.
shit. Yeah.
Say you can buy my sheet then
Alright.
from the donation as well too.
Yeah.
I say wow?
And you see,
Oh, my first one.
you see if you get a burn up for me. Here, I got one cheap one.
Alright, so how much you burn now?
Here how much it is.
All depends on the brand, but when we have
Depends on
plan
the
to buy
brand,
is
yeah.
just 1 2 burner,
Stronger-
same but
stronger
a
one,
stronger
yeah.
one, more than walk
Okay.
and look.
Had them about for 4,000 dollars.
Alright, yeah, in that region.
Yeah man, so I'm gonna give some donations so this now you can buy one burner and buy me sheet as well too.
Yeah.
Right, so first donation I have here. All is similarly. So with this donation you can just help out where you want with getting the stove
Yeah.
and can buy me sheet as well too. So sorry then, so we have $16,000 which is 8,000 each from Patrick from the USA. So this is $16,000, so it's 8,000 each for the brothers then.
Yes.
So this Patrick.
8,000 each from Patrick in the USA. Alright, enough respect and thanks for the donation
Thank them,
for
and thank them.
Alfonso and Patrick.
Yeah.
Yeah, they thank you very much.
Yeah, so Charles and Patrick, right?
Yeah, Charles
So it's Charles and yeah, Patrick.
Yeah, Patrick Brown here.
Alright then, so give me another one. Then.
I drive the drive.
Eh? Yeah.
Almost out the road.
Yeah, drive. So
Show me can't see now.
yeah, you can't
Coming
see.
like a night to me.
It's dark, right?
Yeah.
Down man.
Alright then, so we have 8,500 here for you from for the Blind Brothers from A Touch of Love
Give one.
from
Yeah,
Canada.
man, but
Give one now from the
from a touch of love.
From Canada.
From Canada, 8,000.
8,500.
8,005.
So
Yes,
check it.
I received 8,005. Enough thanks. Yeah, from Touch of Life.
Touch of Love.
Love.
Yes,
Oh.
that's A Touch of Love. You know. And we also so this now is from John
Yeah.
from England. You know, for the Blind Brothers then.
Yeah.
So this is $38,000. You know, 19,000 each for the brothers them, you know. So
Yeah.
this is from John from England.
Yeah.
38,000. So count it.
John from England.
Mm-hmm.
I received $38,000 for Patrick and Alfonso.
Yes.
Yeah, enough respect and thanks.
So that's 19,000 each. So count it. So it's 38.
Yeah.
Right then. So that is from John from England. We thank you so much.
John from England.
Yes, for blessing the brothers them.
Why people them really know you.
Yes, the people them really help out because the situation we are go through.
Yeah man, I true man.
You understand? So you can tell John thanks as well to
Look,
Charles.
see camera here, sir.
Yeah,
just talk.
Just say thanks.
Thank you very much here. I charge this here. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
I also have Dan as well too from California. Dan from California, 14,000
Yeah.
For the blind brothers them as well too.
Yeah.
So this is Dan from
Down
California.
from California. I received $14,000 for the both brothers, Patrick and Alfonso.
Yes.
Yeah, respect and thanks.
So that's Dan from Canada.
Canada.
Sorry, not Canada.
Canada or
sorry.
England?
No, California.
California.
Yes.
California. Down from California.
Yes, so Dan from California. We thank you so much for helping out the brothers them. I will also have another donation for the blind brothers from Global, from Philadelphia, as well to $9,000, as well to from Global from Philadelphia.
Global from Philadelphia. Respect and thanks. Alfonso, Patrick. Enough respect, they give thanks.
Yes, so count it says 9,000.
Yeah, 9,000.
Okay, from Global from Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Alright, so we give thanks, and so for Orlando, we have a donation for you as well too.
You come early, man.
Yeah. So we have a donation for you.
Plan for last night, man.
Yeah, man. We've been. Yeah. So we could wait for see the daylight, so we can come give a donation.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, so Alan, this is for you, you know, for helping out your father and your uncle.
Yes.
From Patricia from the UK.
Patricia.
Yeah.
Alright,
$5,000.
Patricia from the UK and I, Orlando. Respect and thank you for this 5,000. Yeah.
Okay. So so also now we have a package as well too. When the package comes, it's for the brothers them. From Delores from the USA. You send a package here.
Thank you for the recognize it, man.
Yeah, man. So you have a knife, you can open that, Orlando.
Yeah, man.
So this is from Delores from Orlando for the brothers them. So she said there's some towels in there as well too for Patrick.
Okay.
And I don't breathe.
I don't know what's inside of it.
No, I'm saying it comes from the US.
Yes.
Like some slow stuff.
Yes, so it's from Delores. So I don't know what and what inside them.
Toothbrush. Oh, yeah, all of the necessity where them need.
So we never open it, we just open it now.
Oh, and lotion. Yeah, all of them need. Roll on.
Yes,
Yeah, man. Toothbrush. Yeah, toothbrush.
Soap and everything.
Body wash.
Big thanks, man.
Yeah, enough respect and thanks.
Underpants, them to them, man.
Underpants, is it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Towels, shirts, shirt.
Clothes, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So everything is there for the brothers them.
Yeah, man.
Brand new as well too. Shorts, top, underpants.
Yeah, them shirts look nice.
And it's from Delores from the USA.
Put down on the bed. When we bed,
For the brothers.
Oh, for the brothers.
Yes, for the brothers.
Okay,
them.
okay.
Yeah, they're for the brothers. So there's some towels in there. Look at the towels them. She said the towels them is for exactly for Patrick. For Patrick.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, the rag.
Yes. She said yes. So the wash towels are for.
Okay.
So small.
Yeah, because I said the wash towels that's in there is for the brother in the wheelchair, which is Patrick, right?
Okay.
So, which is,
And then give them some underpants.
and we have underpants as well too.
Okay. A medium then we are. This supposed to be medium. Small, yeah, them are for them sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah, for them sizes.
Feed them size, man.
Yeah.
Right. So, Delores, right, Esther? Yes, so it's Delores from the USA. Delores, we want to thank you so much, you know.
Delores.
Thank you so much for your blessings, for helping out the brothers, you know, just well needed, you know.
Okay, she's Delores or Delores sending to she, or go?
No, Delores sending from the USA.
Okay,
It's coming from America, so you can just thank Delores here.
Yeah, Orlando, thank Delores to donate to Patrick and Alfonso. They thanks very much.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Charles, you want to tell Delores thank you so much?
Yeah.
Go on.
Talk well.
Yeah, man, talk, man, and tell her.
Delores, thank you very much.
Alright, so that's so she send the money to collect the box.
Yeah.
Right. So she said what's left over from what we used to collect the box, so I should give the donation to
So
you.
you have to pay for the box.
Yeah, we have to pay for it. So she send the money to pay for it.
Okay.
Right, so she
send the money already.
Yeah, she send the money already. We're responsible for this. Like
Yes.
I explain to you what is going on.
So she said no, the remaining of change should go to Orlando for the work that he's doing, which is we have $8,000 a year, Orlando.
Okay.
Which is here for you, here from Delores.
Much thanks from Orlando. I thank you, Delores, for this $8,000.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is for the work that you're doing, helping out your dad and your
Patrick.
uncle.
Yeah.
You know, and she really appreciates. So.
You see work where I do? What may I tell you? I just see me with it.
Yeah.
Really one boy me have. But if we didn't have none, boy me have with that money, probably have to go and pour out.
Yeah.
You know? Sometimes when we remember, we just both of us a cry, man. So he made me out, man. How many say you used to work, you know? But for me doing the yard, you can't go look no work again. A good thing is give me the something, man. Can provide like a food.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I will give thanks. So with that now, with donation, they can buy the 2-burner stove and they so them one sheet.
Yeah.
You know, so anything where you can help out with, right?
Yeah,
so,
man. Now, do anything I can do.
Yes.
So I'm show you, I look over the light.
Yeah, man. So we appreciate anything with anyone send. You know, if anyone is want to reach out, see me, you know, come back and contact, you know, anytime soon as possible. Yeah, so you have these for David now. So alright then, Charles, I'm gonna run right now, yeah?
Take care,
no respect and thanks.
Yeah, man.
Take care, yeah?
Yeah. Alright then. Look at it, yeah?
Charles! Welcome to Charles Branson. You want to show them Charles Branson? You want Charles Branson to show you?
Yeah, man, we are young boy.
Yeah, young boy, man. Yeah, man. You that man, Charles Branson. Smart, you know? Yeah.
Probably 6 years you come and talk to me.
Yeah, man, Charles, man. I mean, I never roll the Charles.
I understand every time them are come for look.
I mean, one of the dream team, them, man. I mean, come on.
Oh, yeah. Him come from Trenchtown.
I mean, come all the while, come look for you, man.
So I always come with them. I even always talk to with them.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big up Charles again. Yeah,
man.
Respect Charles.
Yeah.
I used to can go check me for this too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Anytime I get done, if
Yeah,
I
man.
have food,
Yeah, man.
Alright.
you can check them.
I bring a girl who come take care of you, yeah, Charles.
You know?
I bring a girl who come take care of you, yeah?
Girl,
Yeah, man, no girl, nice girl.
see girl. Tell me now I use the girl again, man.
This is none of use again.
Can you look on girl again? I touch me, can't touch a girl again.
Yeah.
Gone, man.
Sure.
There, I said,
There, man. Patrick.
yes.
Yeah, man.
You got me dead, you know.
Alright,
So Orlando, I get the sheet for you, yeah? Yeah, man, everything alright.
Alright, thank you.
Alright then.
Thank you.
That's a play, that's, you know?
Yeah, man.
Nah, everything all alright for you, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Feel like cry when you talk.
Yeah. Don't cry. Don't cry, man. Stay strong, yeah, Patrick? Stay strong, man. So Alan, I go buy the
sheet
for
and
you,
so
yeah?
out time money, yeah? So Mr. Responsible for get your sheet now and such.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm cry, man. Touching. And there's some underpants and things that I feel, yeah? Alright, wipe your eye.
Right.
Yeah.
You can go be now.
Yeah, may I help you monitor yourself a bit? Wait, just go and sit down little. Now in time I'm done talk with
Alright.
them and such. Make it go there.
Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Struggle is real.
Alright.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah, then upon Charles veranda. So in time, we don't
Where are you?
Yeah, me put them in our house.
Yeah. Alright then, Patrick.
Alright.
Yeah. Good deal with that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man, yeah,
yeah.
man. You too, take care, yeah?
Yeah, safe travel, everyone. Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Yeah. Contract.
Yeah.
Put no come and touch me, saying it.
Yes, guys, so as you can see, the situation here is very sticky, and we give thanks to all our donors them, which is our extended family. Thank you so much, for reaching out to helping out the brothers them. As you can see, it was really touching there in the end when time Patrick, start to shed a bit of tears because of gratitude, for the help that he's receiving. Because they're here, so they really receive much help or anything. So it's mean the world, whenever you can give something, we really really appreciate it, because I'm gonna say it's the act of kindness, for giving, because we know that the donors them that is donating, they're not rich and they're probably going through a rough situation also. So for you to always give, to help out when you see an next person that's in need, really always appreciate that. We thank you so much for doing so, so we thank God bless for continue helping out on this journey, continue to fuel the engine so we can continue to help as we can do so while we have life in our body here and this universe, because it goes already. We are here for a short period of time, we never know how long or when. So while we're here, we can do some good to help out, each other. Help out each other in the way, it's a way of life, It's promoting love, positivity. Love is the way, love is the only solution. Crazy. Alright then, later, yeah? Alright then, take care. Yeah. So, as I was saying, we have some parts here in Jamaica where people is really going through Wait, say, bring it today? Alright then. Yeah, man, so we give thanks. Remember, guys, thank you so much for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. And we're here in Spanish Town, helping out the less fortunate. Wow, upstairs that billion so. Well, guys, so we're here now in Waterhouse, here to come see Elizabeth, mother with 7 kids, big up, fast, yeah. Yeah, man, here to come see Elizabeth, mother with 7 kids, to come give her some donation and get her update on the world. That's what she's been doing, so let's see what is going on. Oh, happy day when Jesus was. Oh, more rubbish pack up.
fish and sauce.
Well, surprise me. Look like
Your mommy read one?
she not reach it.
Okay.
It's come like a more rubbish come here, so right?
Yeah, the more things.
More things pack up. Oh god. I think foundation that big already. Where? Yeah. Oh, go uncle. Where more rubbish come from? Them drop from sky.
I don't think so we don't pull off this up. We can't get sick. At the same time, I think we didn't have a problem with the TV. TV.
Oh.
Find money to find payment people and more. Yes, sir. Really my father. We just come up with the chat.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Hold on, like I'm curious, can't be here. Eh?
That kind of wall up lessons still. You know, culture me that I dig the party pack to get the woman for her TV. And think me know I get a chance. So I kind of
What?
Oh.
did that kind of slow up the vibration a little bit still. So I really feel her part of my one still at the moment.
Oh.
I understand culture party pack now you just fine.
Yeah.
Somebody and she want me alone up here carry the cross. I understand them and I want to pressure them. Beg them not on culture, my problem.
Yeah.
You know, say alright. I'm finally over with that now, so.
So she get back a TV now?
Yeah, me get the 40,000 so she'll make up it, put the other rest on it and buy back one, so.
Yeah.
So eventually now, I bring up the cat now, so. Really a man in now, you know, clear up your system. A man in me personally.
Yeah.
I get up before day. Clear up the yasso. I really need it all up the yasso.
Yeah.
So really clear part, I really my one. The yasso.
I'm thinking foundation is big already. And everything.
Yeah, she should have called in the man enough to really dip it up. But you have to dip kind of all up with my side.
Oh.
You understand the man that I give me a little time to clear it up. Just you can't get to deal with.
Yeah.
She called in the man already and then deal with her and I just mean did I wait for him. Definitely.
From creator.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, okay.
So you can get a little blight still to clear it.
Yeah.
You understand? Come on, so a man by a man deal with it. Clear it up and free up the vibration that you can do it.
Yeah. Okay, cause she left on her way cause she not reach it. She not reach it. And she not reach it. She not reach as yet, so yes guys, so I'm waiting on Elizabeth to arrive, so I guess she's on her way. So we're gonna wait a little.
Yeah, a little bit more, yeah?
Yeah, evening.
Yeah.
To see what time she's gonna reach. I already know her, that's going the right thing.
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
Yes, I. Yes, guys, so apparently, the foundation is not started yet, so father, that's her Elizabeth dad, so he's saying that he's one of the problem why the foundation not started big as yet, because he say he was in some backtrack struggle the other day with some TV problem. So he could get to clear out all this rubbish and everything. Him say Elizabeth called him the man to come dig the foundation and start, but the man couldn't do any work because of the rubbish that's in the yard. So he was asking for some time, you know, with the builder, so I get a chance to clear it out. So it's like this now, you know, and you know, because I know you like surprised like the same way I am surprised because we think foundation dig already, and you know something started already because it's been a while I haven't been around here. Yeah. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, because it's been a while I haven't been around here, so I think everything that started as well the same way you surprised as well. So apparently the father said it was his fault, you know, for not to start as yet because show these rubbish in the yard, and he was the one that meant to clear it away. So him say him get off the struggle off him shoulder now, so him have a cart. So him gonna start do this from in the morning, you know. So I'm just waiting now on Elizabeth to arrive so I could give her a donation that I got as well for her, so I can head back down into Trenchtown. So I'm just here waiting for her to pop up any minute now, you know, because she's on her way from work, you know. So yeah, what so when you come back? Day for yesterday. I think you're gone and now come back.
No,
Elizabeth.
Yeah, I was at the place now.
Evening. How is everything?
Shamai! But it's in your head.
So what the bigger one? Who's supposed to do it?
No, the one I watch work.
Oh, then watch who is doing this and who is...
Some I don't know. Come in.
So who meant to do it? She? She go start?
Yeah.
Alright then, you know, say I'm gonna make a detention for you at starts.
I get it.
You already get it? You're gonna get another one for that. Okay? Esther? I'm gonna make a line up on detention for her, yeah? Because she never take up the clothes them off the line. Right? Wait. Yeah? So prepare yourself for another detention at school. You make your mom have to come all the way home now, come do the work where you're supposed to do. So you say, Esther, we can line up on detention for her?
I bring her to the dean. Discipline. Yeah.
Alright, so you hear that? Where's Elizabeth? Should we go ahead?
Yeah, she need it, man.
That is good. That is good, you know. Make sure start to learn to wash pots from now. So we're going to make sure go detention and wash some pots. You hear that?
Them have a detention.
No.
Sweep out, clean up the net balcony and up with the show and tell you what kind.
No, but the one you're gonna do is wash up pots.
Wash the pot, them in the canteen stink. Yeah, then that's why you're gonna be say you won't behave again.
Yeah, so that's the one you're gonna get stay here. So we wash up the pot them. So you stay there.
You can choose what kind of detention you want.
I'll tell you.
You see? Oh, them cement and something. Come in, little one, because you not want to slippers. Only go and pass him a turn on the hole, you know. I want to say, I don't want to pass the person. All right, that's
Alright then, Elizabeth, so struggle.
Barring.
Alright, come out and wait so I don't see you. Come this way so I don't see you, come. So yes, Elizabeth. So what's been going on? Because you know, caught us by surprise. We think we'd have come say donation, foundation, big and everything, but
it should do from home and the person will come cut the tree and hold me up.
So it make me feel look different somewhere because them keep on and put my half and say them a come and in.
Come.
And then
What, for cut this tree?
yeah. And then I will get somebody to check cause it seems like my father put in back more things.
Yes, because me that
So I
speak
never
to
did
him.
so no. You always say to him.
Yeah, so he must say tree.
When you talk.
She say me that try to dig to pay back the person for them TV and everything, and same kind of get that out the way and everything. So same I gonna start do it tomorrow because him say him apologize that him the kind of hold it up, you know, feet not start, you know, because you know
things them be coming back. Yeah.
Yeah, so cause I realize that most stuff come back in the yard, you know, so him say man get that out the way. Because you know people watching, the viewers them watching the would donate and they want to see what's going on, you know. So
well the things them to do the foundation by cement and the hose, I can show you that shortly, and the steel on the front, it's length of steel. And the binding wire with the some name on it up.
Okay, so you get the binding wire already and everything.
And the sun and the gravel now at the man don't do this, so I just when I'm ready to go pick them.
Okay, so you buy the cement and the steel, binding wire.
And so this cement, the steel can't shoot the run off.
Yes.
But we will pass the step right there, so.
Okay.
Right, so it can't pass. Come on, so. Nothing can pass.
Okay.
Come on, so be careful when you pass with you. Say, body come with the hose.
Alright, so I could show them the cement them where you buy already and everything. So guys, so as she explained, you know, she waiting on the bid like she wants someone to cut the tree for her, you know, which is the ackee tree and everything. So
Cut you in there, that's why it's so.
no, yeah. Yeah. Oh, now war.
Them watch the one and I watch record. Little one you have to stay one place. So what do you say?
Okay, so you have the cement them. Oh, you have them pan. You should have somebody a piece of board or something and take it off the concrete. Because it will get hard, you know. Yes, it start get hard already there.
Yes, I never noticed that, you know.
Yes. Them start get hard, you know. You realize?
No, Jesus. So it can't mash out though? Jesus, where it feels so. Yes, I never noticed it until you have to. Like the money can't wait.
Well, him can broke up still. See me, I use them because I'm going to use them for the concrete, for the mortar, so. Because, let them take it off for the for this, you know, spread a piece of board or something.
Are the coal concrete make it harder?
Yeah. Kind of cool.
I never know that.
I never want you buy so much till when time them are ready. Neither.
Oh, the band is something the wire. Come here, come down with this iron and pass it.
Oh yeah, the binding wire around here. Alright. If you can get piece of, so if you can get piece of plywood, look,
the cement they put
and put them on top of it.
Take time, Shaman.
You can make it. Yeah, Shaman? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the wetting in the wire.
This is the wire.
I want to go in there under the bed.
Yeah. Shaman, you have a job for doing, you know. See them now, you forget them after the concrete. Okay.
The wire.
Alright, can I make them stay? Can I put it back? Shamar, you come here. Come look where I go on. Tap them here. Stop it so. And tell me where I go on. Yes. Because why? The concrete, you're left on the source of concrete. So you have to go at least.
The compress together?
Yes, and through the concrete I send the coal up in them. So if you have cardboard, you have to put it on cardboard. Or a piece of board.
You forgot. That's what
Yeah? So guys, so this is Elizabeth
That me I sit too.
Alright, Elizabeth. Come back because you have to get on this. Oh, you can stay, you can stay, man. You can stay. You can stay. Elizabeth, you have to get to this work soon as possible, you know. You know, soon as possible. Alright. Alright, so come have a donation for you. She good now? Okay. Alright, come in. Come here. Come here, Come here. Yeah. Sorry, Elizabeth, it's like how the cement them, you know. Your father, your dad say I'm going to start in the morning, right? So if him can just... Yes. So you have to just get up as well too and get on him case so him can start it. Yeah? I'm going to say it to him because you don't want them thing there for waste right now. Mm-hmm. The situation. Alright, so I have a donation for you to help out as well too. You know? But Elizabeth need to get on this soon as possible. Alright? Okay, so long me even go over there as well to and come back see me and everything. So you just get on this soon as possible. So I have a donation here for you. So this person is anonymous. Yeah. Anonymous from Canada. So you have anonymous from Canada. $55,000 here to help out, you know. So this is anonymous from Canada, no name calling. So I make it count it first, so you can tell her thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay. So it's correct. Yeah, so this is from Anonymous, you know, from Canada. I send that for you. So I, Miss Anonymous, serve. Thank you for your donation. Continue to support. Thank you. May God bless you and may your food basket never go empty. God bless. Alright then, so we give thanks to Anonymous from Canada. We thank you so much, you know yourself, you know, we thank you so much for supporting Elizabeth. You know, so I think that she's waiting on someone to get this tree cut down, you know, out the yard and everything, so and then our dad is gonna clean up at the yard, you know, so as you can see the cement them is getting hard as well too, and you see the steel is outside, so yeah, so that's not easy, so if your father can chop it up, pick and fast. Yeah, little by little, you know, so sorry then, so we catch up then, yeah? And just hopefully we'll come next time, we can see something, you know. But the sooner the better because you don't want to waste all them cement there. Yeah, because you never know, so the man and children say, Lord Jesus, that's why them say every woman must have a man said. Yes guys, so as you can see, this is her situation, this is her living conditions, so she's trying to build out for she and her kids them, you know, for the future. So that is where we're giving her some support to help out her situation, you know. So guys, so we thank you so much for watching Kid Night in Jamaica. You know, we thank each and everyone that donated to her as well to on her journey. So this is her journey and it still continues. So Elizabeth, we catch up. Yeah? Thanks, yeah. Alright then. You're on the team. Thank you for the team to come. You're part of the team. I've read the video. Catch up for that one. She got detention. She's going to detention. No man, it's a fair farm teacher. It's a fair farm teacher. Hey. Watch me and her. Papi. How did it go on? I'm outside.
Mama said she got in her bathroom. Because she love water and she put her in her bathroom. So I had to she love water, man.
Papi. Oh, not you, Papi. We're talking about the bigger Papa. Remember, you know, you see me? Because I just check on our cement them and then I get really tough.
Yeah, man,
Because I'm up on the concrete, so that take too long on the concrete.
definitely.
Yeah?
It's my turn now.
So she can't get the work, please, guys. Kind of
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Do that, man, definitely.
We are depending on you for that.
Yeah, man.
So the ackee tree, you can't cut it down.
That's all.
Yeah, man.
That's all. Definitely.
Alright then, yeah?
See?
Alright then, big
We're
up.
gonna come back everything out.
Yeah, so she can start the work.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright then, give thanks, yeah?
No more wall up now, go there and come.
Yeah.
Fair up, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. Prepare for the TV, right?
Get some out of my face. No problem for them.
Yeah.
My part and you get the work on there. Move.
Come back here.
Come back here. Come back to get the money to give back the people and to know.
Dog is gone.
Bag of war and destruction and bag
Yeah.
of guns. You see?
Yes.
Any further?
God help me go through that part so clear and know, free and know so I can neutral up there now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Alright then.
So like I'm neutral now.
Can't deal with it.
Yeah, every week come off of me so I can deal with it, you know? Alright, so when I come back everything 100.
Alright then, yeah?
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
Alright then,
drive
big up.
careful and take care until soon I get here.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. See?
Everything.
Yes, guys, so alright then, so the daddy says he's gonna help out and clear up the yard, you know?
Yeah, man,
And then we're good to go.
definitely. See?
Alright.
Andrew!
And putting out?
Lenny, walk on Lenny. Lenny, me a shot a boy, yeah. Yeah, me ask how walk on Lenny. No, we have to come back so Lenny. Some of me have easy pretty. Yo. Yo, I'm so come here, I tell you I can walk on me now. Pretty. Come here, so pretty.
What is it? Andrew put them on?
Oh, pull on to put them out. And on to consequence, yeah, so. Lenny.
Oh.
Want to draw data?
Well, when I'm saying a man buy the place and them going to 1 month, somebody buy the place and going to 1 month. So that. Oh, so someone buy the place and give them 1 month, and now the month up, and then bulldoze the house and the people them own.
No, man.
Jeez.
Yo, pretty.
Oh man.
Guys. Don't forget a link, because some of you come from me now. No, I tell you, I can walk on, I'm here now. You don't know the money.
Yeah. So it come like this. We call it. So the 1 month them get to stay there.
1 month notice.
1 month notice.
So you can. Are you guys wanna tell them that?
So them get one.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, Lenny.
All right.
I come here and make sure what I go on, man. Yeah. I mean, you can know, man. Yaga. You know?
How would I sister that?
Yeah, man, Yaga.
Struggles, real.
Banjo. Banjo. Banjo, come in, man. Go on. Yo. Banjo, go on.
Watch out.
Yeah, do it, do it.
That drama, yeah.
What's the name?
Yeah, paid me a boss. No, what
I know what the face is, Joe.
All right then. Watch that drama, you know. Watch this. A pure drama going to down this road. Let me come over here, so.
I feel that out the place.
that-
The next man, she sell the place.
Drama going today on the road. What's going on today, guys? There's so many drama going on the road.
Drama Friday.
Look, the car in the middle of the road down there. What's going on today? What
drama
is
Friday.
going on today?
Oh, I don't know, I can move yet to the car, man. This one police says I'm come chop it up, man.
Same.
Move the car out of the road.
It's that, you know, so that same man too. You know, the man had me last year too.
So guys, those people that you see on this, you see the mattress and everything outside. Apparently someone buy that land and give them 1 month to move. So, how should I say them for go court?
Yes, I should bring them go court, man, bring beer police.
Oh, so them say they're gonna go to court and everything. So the man just bring beer police and the bulldozer.
Bulldoze that down.
And just bulldoze that down.
This is out there for get house in another.
This is going on, man.
Pure drama. Look at this traffic now.
Someone cross the road down here, man.
Hey.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.